Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another version of the very cool looking fish sticks, and this time it's gonna be the VR fish stick. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this version of fish sticks, and we're gonna start out with the VR set, which is just gonna be one long rectangle. So this is gonna be the width of his head. And we'll make it a little bit more cartoony this time. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw in the eye area. So just come to the corner here. So it's very simple. We're just going to draw like a little half circle all the way around. Just come in and then come back down. And then there's going to be two lines right here. Looks like his eyeball is kind of inside here. Alright, and then let's add in a little bit more detail on the side here. So this one's easy. We're just going to come out, just draw a little rectangle on the side. And that's pretty much it for the VR. We can add in some more detail, but let's just add in the face right now. So for his face, it's just going to be one big bow shape. Just come down, and it's going to be kind of flat. Let's just go back up. And then from there we'll draw in his mouth. So for his mouth we can draw kind of like a bracket like this first. It's gonna be kind of wide. And then once we have that, we can just connect it with a nice curve. Let's go all the way around. And then for the opening right here, we just draw one little line. So that's pretty much gonna be his lip. Okay, and then to finish up the VR set here, just draw one little curve. Just around the, I guess the cheekbone area. Alright, so now let's go up to the top. So the top is pretty much his little hat. So just come up in the center. It's gonna come in. Okay, and then for the details on top, just go up. With a little angle, and then we just close it off. Alright, and then to finish off the details in here, so right in between here there's going to be two circles. So just put two and then come up, put one more, and then same thing here, up. And lastly, there's a little bit of wiring coming up here, so I'm just going to draw one curve like this and then just give it some thickness. Goes right underneath, behind the head. Alright, so now let's draw in the body, and the body is really simple. So for the collar area, I'm just gonna draw one little curve around first. And then shoulder is gonna start here. Not too wide. Slant in, this is gonna be all the way down to his waist. And I'm just gonna draw one line across for the belt. And then one more up here. Okay, and then from there we can draw his arms. So here's his armpit right in the middle of this. So I'm gonna come up here. There's one big curve come down past this area. So that's gonna be his wrist. And then from the armpit area, we're just gonna curve it, kind of taper it in to his wrist. And then his hand's really simple. I'm just gonna draw one curve and then one longer one on this side. And then just come in for the thumb and then go back down for the other finger. Alright, so nice and simple. So here's the armpit. Here's the top again. I'm going to curve down. Use the other side for reference. Again, same thing here. Curve, pinch it into the wrist. For his hand, curve down, and then this one's going to go a little bit lower. Now go up. And come back down. Alright, so now let's finish his legs, and his legs are really easy. So we're gonna come out, just draw like a little bracket like this first on each side. It's got those funny looking pants. And then one more. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the middle here. Just draw one curve like this first. And then the side here, come down. And then on the inside, let's continue the curve. Just go down until you meet up with this. And then we'll just close it off. And then now for his legs, really easy. Come down. This side is gonna come down and just stop short a little bit. Just kind of hook it up a little bit and then come back down, finish up the bottom of his foot. Okay, so same thing here. We're gonna come down. Use the other side for reference. Come down, stop early, curve, and curve back in to finish up the foot. And that's pretty much it for the body. And we can add in a little bit detail right here. We can add a little pouch. So just draw right over the belt. And we'll use that as a flap, so we're gonna draw a little button in here. And that is it for this VR fish sticks. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.